Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at the key features of the Poco X3. The Poco X3 runs on MIUI 12, which is based on Android 10. The smartphone is available in two variants, Cobalt Blue and Shadow Grey. The Poco X3 has a quad camera setup at the back. This includes a 64 megapixel primary lens and a 13 megapixel wide-angle lens with an FOV of 119 degrees. Additionally, there's also a 2 megapixel depth shooter and a 2 megapixel macro sensor as well. There's also a 20 megapixel punch hole camera at the front, well suited to meet all your selfie needs. The Poco X3 supports 4K video recording at 30 frames per second and 1080p video recording at 120 frames per second. There's also a super slow motion mode at 720p at 960 frames per second. The Poco X3 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G, which is an 8nm chipset. The smartphone is also powered by the Adreno 618 GPU. Currently, the Poco X3 is available in three variants: 6GB with 64GB of memory, 6GB with 128GB of memory, and the top tier 8GB with 128GB of storage. The smartphone comes with a 5160 mAh battery that supports 33-watt fast charging. The phone can be charged fully in 65 minutes or little over an hour. The phone also features a 6.6-inch IPS LCD display with a 120Hz refresh rate. The Poco X3 is well suited for gaming. The display also supports a resolution of 1080p into 2400 pixels and an aspect ratio of 20:9. Also, the display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Additionally, the Poco M3 comes packed with an accelerometer, an ambient light sensor, and also a power button that doubles up as a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. Those were some of the key features of the Poco X3. Thank you for watching.